Here it comes! Catch it!
I got it, Azul. Your turn.
Thanks! This looks yummy! In this colorful world, Sombra was different. He felt lonely, but never gave up.
He trained every day, turning his sadness into strength. He became the best.
Oh no! The mountain is shaking! Look at the fire! What are we gonna do? I'm too scared!
Bravo, Sombra!
We were wrong about you, Sombra.
You're a true hero!
We're honored to fly with you.
You were so brave!
That day, they learned a valuable lesson.
Look how high we are!
We're finally flying as one!